On this video, I'll be showing you guys how to change your Netflix password very easily. And please, if you have any question at the end of this video, please drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do remember to like, share, and smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Alright, let's get right into it. Now, simply open your Netflix app, and then once you've opened it, just have to log into your profile. Then once you've logged in, simply go to this this section, and then you can see this menu icon at the top right corner. Just click on that and then click on account. So once you get here on your phone, sometimes you might just see change password at the top right here. You can see it on mine. But if you do not see change password at the top over here, all you have to do is just scroll down a little bit. So let me scroll down and show you guys the second way to do this. So once you scroll down, you are going to see manage access and devices. So simply click on that. So once you click on that, you are going to see change your password at the top. You can see it right there. So all you have to do is click on that. This is the second method. So once you've clicked on that, you can see this current password. So put your current password here. Then once you've placed that here, then you can put your new password in this two section. And then once you've done that, all you have to do is just click on save. And also, if you want to sign out every other person that is using your Netflix, once you change your password, just leave this sign out of all devices section on. But if you want every other person to still be using your Netflix once you change your password, then turn this section off and then click save, and that's it. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate you guys for sticking to the end of this video, and please do remember to smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of useful tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Also, towards the end of this video, you might start seeing some of my similar videos, or you might start seeing some of my playlists, so you can also take out time to watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'll see you guys on my next video.